Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to set up two-step verification in Facebook. First, open Facebook and then click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. From the left tab, click Account Center. Now click Password and Security option. Click Two-Factor Authentication. Choose your security method that you want to use. I am choosing text message for now. Hit Next. Add your mobile number and then click Add Phone Number button. You will receive a 6-digit confirmation code via SMS. Enter the code and then hit Next. Finally, enter your Facebook password and confirm. You have successfully turned on Facebook two-factor authentication. When you or someone tries to log in to your Facebook from another device, you will receive a notification on your phone. Only when you hit Yes on your mobile, Facebook login is possible. This is how you can set up Facebook two-factor authentication. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.